In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly shut down your laptop using just your keyboard. This can be incredibly handy in situations where your trackpad or mouse isn't functioning, or maybe you simply want to try a swift alternative method. We'll guide you step by step through this process, ensuring you can master it in no time. First, it's important to make sure you're on your desktop. You might have multiple windows open or be working in an application, but don't worry, there's a simple keyboard shortcut for this. Just press the Windows key followed by the letter D. What this does is minimize all the open windows, instantly bringing you directly to your desktop. Now, with your desktop in full view, it's time to initiate the shutdown sequence. This next step is crucial and remarkably simple. By pressing Alt and F4 together, you're triggering a command that's directly tied to window management. This specific combination tells the computer you want to close the current window, and since you're on the desktop, it will prompt the shutdown options. As a result, a dialog box titled Shut Down Windows will appear right before you. In this dialog box, you'll notice a list of options, which include Shut Down, Restart, Sleep, and Sign Out. If your goal is to shut down, make sure that option is highlighted. To do this, use the arrow keys on your keyboard. Simply press the up or down arrows to navigate through these options. This method is particularly user-friendly because it ensures you're making an exact selection without the need for a mouse. Once you've highlighted the desired option, it's time to make it official. Press the Enter key to confirm your choice. This will set the operation into motion. If you've selected Shut Down, your laptop will start the process of closing all programs and powering off. That's all there is to it. You now know how to efficiently power down your laptop using only your keyboard. Not only is this a quick way to close up shop after a long session, but it also underscores the versatility of keyboard shortcuts in managing your computer. The next time you find yourself needing to shut down quickly, remember you can rely on this method, hassle-free. Thanks for joining us today, and be sure to practice this a few times to get the hang of it. Feel free to watch this video again if you need a refresher. I'm glad we could show you a new trick to make your computing experience even smoother,